this is gonna explain to you like how to do it. If you want like a soupy one, you hit number 1. If you want more of a stir fry, you hit number 2.
Okay, more soup.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then you put this onto here. Pick your soup. Put the soup in.
Pick the noodles.
Yeah, you pick your noodles.
Okay. Anything is not spicy.
The only one I know that's not really spicy is his vegetarian one.
Oh, that's all?
Oh, this one's not. And this one's mild. This one's good.
Okay. So after that?
After that, you put it in.
So let me try the veggie.
What one do you want? Do you want it soupy or you want it
Soupy.
Soupy? Okay, so it's gonna be 22. We're gonna do. So you're gonna hit in 1. Okay. Start. And then it starts pouring in.
I don't need to move it?
You don't need to do anything. When this beeps, it's done. So you can put this stuff in too if you want to put it in now, or you can wait till the after. It's up to you.
I can put it now. To add more flavor?
Yeah, and then you want to add your packet too. That's in here.
There's a packet in here?
This one, and this one's your veggies.
Okay. That's finger.
Yeah. And then it will start to boil. See?
And now put the meat in.
You can put the meat in, or it doesn't matter. It's gonna get
Make it
super,
warm.
super hot. Yeah. Let me get you a chopstick.
Thank you.
Yeah. And then when it beeps, you're done.
I can eat it?
Yeah, you just pull it off, but wait till it beeps.